Alright, so here is a WhatsApp sales conversion ad I started last night. Okay, this now is 3 a.m. the next day, right? I started it last night around 6 p.m. So this is 3 a.m. the next day, right? Now I am using Facebook and Instagram traffic sources. Alright, if you check here, you will see that I've spent about 2,200 naira. My budget for this is a daily budget of 4,500 naira. My impression so far is 1,288. Cost per 1,000 impression is about 1,700 naira. Let's move so you see more. The reach at the moment is 1,002. Frequency is 1.07. Click-through rate is 8.15%. Let's still move on. Then number of clicks so far 59. Remember, for 2,200 naira, because I've not spent half of the money. All right, now cost per click is 20 naira 97 kobo. Okay, let's see more. Then results so far 36, but I guess there's more than that, right? Then let's see if there's any other thing. And cost per result is 61 naira 20 kobo. Okay, now this ad is still running. If you check here, sorry, I want to move it so you see it's still active, because I told you I started it last night. It's ad on ISBN. Okay, so I want you to see that it's still active. Okay, so can you see it is still active? Okay, so I want to show you how I was able to do this, or I'm able to do this, because it's still running, right? Of course, I'm going to pause this ad because I want to add another creative to it. Okay, so before we get into that, let's see the results so far. Here, in case you don't understand what I'm showing here, here is my Facebook and here is my phone showing you my WhatsApp. Okay, so let's check. These are the leads I've gotten so far on WhatsApp. Okay, so let's check, and I'll open one of them much later, one or two of them much later, so you see the way the conversion happens. Okay, now let's count. This one, right? These 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And take it up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What's happening? 15. Sorry. Take this one again. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, sorry, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So I need to move this up a bit. So 40. Okay, this one now and down, they are different promotions that I did. So these ones are the ones connected to this ISBN of 18. Okay, so 40 conversions so far from 2,200 naira. Okay, so let's see, let's open one of it. Let me just open those one, random one, so you see what happens when somebody click on my ad to contact me. So I open this one, so you see the message. I say, hi, I'm Oni, a self-publishing author, now helping upcoming authors and with their work and so on and so forth. Now if you notice down here, I added visit website. So I added the website link where they can place order for this work, okay, for this offer, right? So if somebody clicks here now, automatically the person will be moved to where I have this particular offer. Can you see? Now I automated this from Facebook, and so even if I'm sleeping, things are happening. People are contacting me, and then they are being updated as to what next to do. Now I also prompt the person to ask this question: how can I see the two options? The moment the person drops that question, this is a prompt question that I did. Okay, it's a conversation starter question I did, right? Then the moment the person does that, automatically the person will receive a message, visit my sender page below to get it now. And I added a link, right, pointing to the link. Can you see it here? Okay, so with this, if the person doesn't get it here, the first message, the welcome message, the person will get it here. Okay, now if you're a student of my TikTok Ads Mastery training, I'm going to add as a bonus all the setup that I did to get this result, this amazing result. Okay, so if you are not yet a student of that, I'll be dropping the link to joining the class in the description of this video. Okay, so I'll walk you through all the setups that I did to get this mind-blowing results with WhatsApp conversion. Okay, that's WhatsApp traffic, that's WhatsApp sales conversion. All right, so if you're interested in that, check the description of this video on YouTube to see the link to join the TikTok Ads Mastery class. Okay, so that you can benefit from all these and more, right? And this option works well even if you don't have a website. Okay, yes, I have a website, but I decided to use this. Okay, I decided to use it, right? So that's it. So you don't need to worry if you don't have a website to run a sales conversion ad on Facebook. That's through Facebook. Okay, a WhatsApp sales conversion ad using Facebook and Instagram traffic. So for my students, let's go ahead and explore what I did here to get this mind-blowing results.